My people, today na another yarning so and na dis yarnings wey I get so na based on dis CAF issue with our Naija referees. As in AFCON don dey come again AFCON 2025, and the update wey me dey hear na say no Naija ref dey go Cairo for the training. As in the thing just dey must me. They say for the past 19 years now, as e be like dis AFCON never see any Naija ref. And normal e no suppose to be like that. Last I still get to blame the NFF. Wetin NFF really dey do? If you look our football now as a whole, mostly for the male side, in short for the female side na so e still be, but make we just focus on the male side. E no your get anything wey dey happen. Imagine see World Cup we dey struggle to even qualify Nigeria, and now no single, for the past 19 years, no single ref don go AFCON. That thing no make sense na. The normal thing, as this kind news drop like this so you suppose to dey expect say the NFF president you just first call am enter one room make come explain wetin dey sup. Out of 13 center referees, 36 assistant referees, 11 VAR officials, we no see one Naija person may even enter the matter. The thing dey must me I no go lie. 19 years ago, you know wetin be 19 years ago? Then we get Naija person wey ref last for AFCON. Man, that story no make sense. No be wetin person supposed to dey hear on a norm. I no go lie you. E no make sense at all. I no go lie when people go dey talk say the NFF, the corruption too much. When people go dey talk all those things, I no blame them now. Because CAF dey let us know say how far una no blame us, una no get better ref. Locally, no level. The league, they don dey deliver well. The way our ref say dey blow for the league, you no expect us to come carry them go the big stage when they go referee match. Wetin you expect say they won't go dey do for there? Na wetin CAF dey let us dey know so. So of a truth so the bottom line of everything na say NFF really need to clean up their system. Make dem still invest for referee development. How Naija name no go dey CAF list for referees? That thing no follow na. But at the same time, you dey tell them say make dem invest on referee development. Even the Super Eagles, they don still invest. The Super Falcons, they don invest. The Golden Eagles, they don invest put. See Golden Eagles that day now. So now all those things we need to dey yarn. But my people, more na no forget to na we should be the pidgin vibes. Streets dey talk am, na we just dey echo and dey give una. So una no forget to subscribe, una no forget to like, una no forget to share the update too. We stand that for our Facebook page, Pidgin Vibes. We stand that for Instagram. We see there our TikTok. We see there our X. Maybe Twitter that year. All of them are for Pidgin Vibes. My people, una do.